Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the first week of November is over with, and there's several transactions that I'd like to get put in place so I know where we stand. So this is lunch. I took my mom out for her birthday. To restaurants. See, groceries. Okay. And meat. 20. I bought a Nintendo Switch game. And so this will be restaurants. My husband's paycheck. Restaurants. Burger food truck. So this was my lunch money. Groceries. It was stuff to make some pasta salad for a get together that we didn't go to because we're both sick. Family Dollar. I feel like this was food. No. Okay. This should say Dollar General. You're fine, doggy. You're fine. So that goes under household. General. Sonic Drinks is fun money. Say normal bills. So forget. No, not that. Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Oh, right here. Netflix. Internet. Water. Sam's Club was groceries yesterday. Jerry's for breakfast yesterday morning. Brom Shakes is fun money. Okay, this is a split. It is half restaurants, half fun money. So 15. And fuel. It would appear that I have everything caught up. I haven't spent any miscellaneous that I'm aware of yet. Oh, okay. Dog food and all that we haven't gotten yet, but are getting fairly close. I'm gonna have to pick these up tomorrow or Wednesday. See, this is due the 16th. Yep. One, 6, 11, and 13. And that sounds about right, because I'm pretty sure we went grocery shopping like the 30th or whatever. So before Halloween, and that lasted us until, like I said, for a week. And then we need to go grocery shopping again. This was kind of stock up items, like a double pack of mayonnaise, a double pack of Worcestershire sauce, and medicine and other stuff. Four, five. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. I feel like there should be another household one, but I'm not positive. Maybe not. Fun money. Spent 28. I believe that's everything, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.